Welcome back to another day, to another video. And today, Erin and I are ripping this crap up. You look stupid. So we just found out that all of the screws on the first step are bad, and they all got like snapped off immediately. Isn't it? So this is gonna be interesting and a lot more work than we expected. Of course. Send it. Like I said, all the screws are still not good. We are switching turns now. I just did this section, Aaron's gonna do the next section. And they're discussing plans for things. We're gonna do some ASMR screwing. Crowbar! I am the crowbar. RIP, our battery died for the drill. Aaron is currently cheating and using the crowbar, and now I don't need to. This is a loss on all accounts. So we got all of the boards. That's our wagon full of boards. And now we're just removing like the middle boards. It's stripped. I might have to get the hammer. This will be fun. But yeah. Woo. So we have to get a new bit out because, yeah, it's broken. Yippee! How did you still tell mother? And I would scream at her to come with us. Okay, Erin and I just went and got snacks. And now we're gonna finish this project. No. It squirted out my nose, man. Well, back to the old method of, oh, never mind. Just kick it and it works. Gotta give it that hawking tour. No, when I'm spitting on that thing. How come? Because it don't need it. Okay. Good work, Mom. Mom, what do you want us to do about this part over here? Okay, let's get into it. You just go do sawing.
Actually, why don't you guys leave? I don't like the fact that those nails are sticking out.
I agree.
Well, we can shut that gate and just keep it shut and it looks nice.
Do you want to leave it?
I think just leave it for now. Because honestly, when we go to do our forms and stuff, we're going to get it back there. Okay. So I should leave this part, I guess. And then when we have the guy come fix that, we can probably just saw it.
Alright. Erin, we're done. We're done. Yeah. Yeah. You heard it here, folks. We're done for the day, and we're done for now. I'll put the before and after pictures in. Mom says we're done. Mom says we're done. Yeah. Okay.
You better keep it in.
I will. This is our outro, Erin. Say goodbye. Like and subscribe for more content like that. Peace.